Hello, this is Joe Santoro from Personal Property Managers. Are you considering a move, but now you've already relocated and you're many miles away from your home, or perhaps across country, or perhaps even overseas? We can help you. Moving is a pretty overwhelming and daunting task, as you probably are well aware, as well as the relocation process. What do you do when you've already relocated, you're many miles away from home, and you have your property here in the state and the area that you live in? That's where we could come in and help. We provide an array of services focused strictly on the property and your contents. We provide a full array of home downsizing and clean out and decluttering services. Within that scope, we provide market-ready services as well to get your house market-ready. That's important if you want to sell your house at the best price in the shortest amount of time. If you have content within your house that perhaps you don't want to take with you and maybe you want to sell, we provide a full array of estate sale and home content liquidation services as well. We also provide absentee home watch services, so when you can't be there, we can with regular inspections on your property. If you're just considering renting your property, we also provide home rental services as well, where we're renting your property and overseeing it. And lastly, we provide a full array of full service discount real estate services. So not only are we cleaning out your house, we're getting it market ready, and we're providing an array of services to help you get the best price and sell your home in the shortest period of time. We also, lastly, provide buy-sell services where we consider buying homes for cash. So, for more information, please look us up on the net at personalpropertymanagers.com. Thank you.